Chapter 13. Plants around us. We see various types of plants around us. Plants grow on mountains, in deserts, and even under the sea. In order to survive in different places, plants grow in different ways. Plants have many parts. The main parts of a plant are root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Plants have two main systems, the root system and the shoot system. The roots form the root system. Stem, flowers, leaves, and fruits grow above the soil and form the shoot system. Parts of a plant. The root system. The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called the root. Functions of root. Roots spread out in the soil and hold the plant firmly in the ground. Roots also help the plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Roots bind the soil. Soil on which no plants grow is easily washed away by water or blown away by the wind. Roots store food. Some roots like carrot, radish, etc. store food. We eat such roots. Kinds of roots. There are two kinds of roots. 1. Taproot. 2. Fibrous root. 1. Taproot. A taproot is a thick, single root that grows downwards straight. This root is the main root of the plant that grows downwards. It does not have branch roots. Small hair-like roots grow from the side of a taproot. Trees like peepal and neem and plants like carrot, pea and bean have a taproot. The deep taproot prevents tall trees from getting uprooted during storms. A taproot. 2. Fibrous root. The fibrous root has many branches that spread out sideways. It does not go very deep into the soil. In fibrous root, there is no main root. A group of equal-sized roots are attached to the end of the stem. Wheat, rice, grass, etc. have fibrous roots. Fibrous root. Special roots. 1. Aerial roots. In a banyan tree, roots grow from the branches, reach the soil, and continue growing below the soil. These are called aerial roots. These roots support the branches of the tree. A banyan tree. 2. Buttress roots. Buttress roots are large roots that grow on all sides of a tall tree. They are found in rainforests where soil is poor. So, buttress roots do not go deep inside. They prevent the tree from falling down and helps the tree to take in more nutrients. Buttress roots. 3. Breathing roots. Some plants grow in marshy areas which have clayey soil. Roots of these plants grow above the soil. These roots have breathing pores. The roots hold the tree in place as well as allow the plants to breathe. For example, mangroves have breathing roots. Roots of mangrove tree. Do you know? About 90% of the food items that human eats come from just 30 plants. 4. Water storage roots. Roots of some plants like the asparagus and pumpkin store water for the plant during the dry summer months. Roots of pumpkin plant. 5. Propagative roots. Such roots have buds close to the surface of the ground. These buds can grow into new independent plants, as in the case of cherry trees and strawberry plants. As these plants propagate with the help of their roots, so these roots are called propagative roots. Propagative root. 6. Food storage roots. Some roots also help to store food. Roots like carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroot store extra food in the form of starch. Carrots are a rich source of vitamin A and other nutrients. Carrots and radishes. The shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot consists of stems, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The stem. The main part of the shoot is the stem. It supports the plant above the ground. Neem and mango trees have such a stem. They help to transport water, minerals, and food to different parts of a plant. They keep plants erect and bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. Some stems are thick, soft, and green. They do not have stems like other plants. For example, potato, ginger, colocasia, and onion store food. We eat these stems. Branches. Branches help the leaves to get enough sunlight. Mostly plants have branches, while some plants do not have branches. Leaves. Leaves are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. Leaves use carbon dioxide and water to make food for the plant in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Trees in the forest. Trees which grow in the forest are looked after by the forest department. These trees are protected from people who try to cut them down and sell the wood. Teak trees. Shisham trees. Trees on both sides of a road. Trees planted by the government. In urban areas, the municipality plays a key role in planting saplings. It also looks after the maintenance of gardens and parks. We see lots of trees on both sides of roads. These trees have been planted to give shade and check soil erosion. They are maintained by the government. Plants we grow. Nowadays, people are aware of the benefits of plants. They grow different kinds of flowering and medicinal plants in the garden. These are domestic plants. We also grow plants like tulsi, neem, mango, guava, coriander, jamun, papaya, and mint in our garden. Tulsi plants. Guava tree. Value voice. We should grow more trees and take care of them. Key words. Root. A part of the plant found below the soil. Shoot. A part of the plant found above the ground. Mineral. A substance that is naturally present in the earth. Let's remember. The two main parts of the plant are the root and the shoot. The root remains under the soil and the shoot grows above the ground. There are two kinds of roots, taproot and fibrous root. The main functions of the roots is to support the plant and to absorb water from the soil. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat these roots. The stem supports the plant and bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. It takes water and food to different parts of the plant.